Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kaxmal President from grade 9.5. My attendance list is 16, so today I will be explaining about my New Year's Eve activity. My New Year's activity is I go home from my grandpa house, then I got home. After that, I play some games. Then at 8 p.m. I go out to buy some firework. After that, I asked my friend to come with me to play with me. So we play for a bit. After that, we go to the football field to light the firework. After we light the firework, um, we go home and we make some food to eat together. After that, we got bored, then we play a game again, and then we do a sleepover at my friend house in the at near my house, and then I go to place to find some food to eat because my friends and me were hungry at night. And that's all my New Year's activity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.